place. Behold the adventures. Behold the nature. Behold Bohol. The province of Bohol is very blessed in terms of natural resources and wonderful creations in nature, in aquatic spots, and even in terrestrial one. This province alone have numerous tourist attractions and destinations that could bring relaxation, amazement, mystery, adventure, and footprints in the hearts of the foreign tourists and even to the local individuals who come to visit these places.
And now, to name few of Bohol's magnificent beauties of nature, starting from the mini Baguio of Bohol,
BILAR, man-made forest. Bohol, Tarsier. Habitat Bohol Highland Nature Resort. Bohol, Enchanted Forest. Chocolate Hills. Henan Beach Resort. And Sea of Clouds, Danao.
These destinations are just few and there is still a lot of wonderful attractions all over Bohol. But now, I'm gonna bring you to the mystical and natural butterfly garden, Habitat Bohol Highland Nature Resort.
good day tourists! Welcome to Habitat Bohol Highland Nature Resort. By the way, I am Jaya and I'll be your tour guide for today. But before we proceed, let me tell you first these few reminders in the acronym SMILE. S for the SMILE stands for Secure Your Personal Belongings. Do not leave your things unattended. M for the SMILE stands for Make sure that you're in the group. Always remember our body-to-body system. I for the SMILE stands for Interact with the locals and their culture. L for the SMILE stands for Leave the place as it is. As the famous quotation goes, a tourist takes nothing but pictures and leaves nothing but footprints. And E stands for Enjoy the tour. My dear tourists, if you have still something to risk, please don't hesitate to approach me. And now, let's proceed. And now, we are entering the butterfly garden. As what you can see, it is an open landscape area planted with flowering plants to attract butterflies to feed in them. There are over 60 species of local butterflies come to this place naturally. Yes, you heard it right. Local butterflies come to this place naturally. And to expand more about the knowledge on butterflies, I'm gonna share to you some facts and the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies do not communicate just as honeybees do, but through same kinds of communication, such as colors, substance, sounds, and physical actions. Some butterflies only last for a week. Generally, a butterfly only lasts for 2 months. All butterflies uses host plants that lay their eggs in it that are suited to their coloring. And next, I'm gonna share to you the life cycle of the butterflies, which comes in 4 different stages. The first stage is we have the egg, The second one is the caterpillar, the third one is the pupa, and the fourth one is the adult winged butterfly. The egg is laid by the female adult butterfly on plants, and these eggs uses these plants as food, and these eggs are relatively small. Next stage is the caterpillar stage or the feeding stage. The job of a caterpillar is to eat and to eat and to eat. And as a caterpillar grows, it splits its skin and grows 4 to 5 times bigger than the regular size of a butterfly. Then the third stage is the pupa or the transition stage. As the caterpillar stops eating, it becomes a pupa. And this pupa may be suspended under a branch, hidden under the leaves, or even buried underground. And the last but not the least is the fourth stage is the adult winged butterfly. This is what most people think of when they hear of butterflies. The job of a butterfly is to make and lay eggs. And now, we are entering the enclosure area. As what you can see, this enclosure area is covered with nets, and inside the net, you can find a waterfall, other source of water, and it is planted with shady plants. As what you've noticed, in the first station that we've been, it is planted with flowering plants. It is because it is where the butterfly come to feed themselves up and to play. While in this second station, it is where the butterfly comes to rest. That is why it is planted with shady plants. On the other hand, this enclosure area is built to protect the butterflies from their predators that gives them 70% survival rate, unlike outside that only gives them 2% survival rate. My dear tourists, enjoy the tour. Now, we are entering the nature trail. It is situated in this area. So if you are an eco lover, this place is perfect for you. The cool shade of overhanging trees and the different species of fauna and flora that tempts one to explore the place. Here you can find butterflies and other species of insects. In this building, we can find a restaurant. So aside from the wondrous attractions and breathtaking butterfly watching, this place is also a good stop or a good place for lunch, meals, and light snacks. Enjoy the tour.
These nature's brilliant glories enchant people and reawaken special bonds that has been established by our divine creator long ago. It's truly amazing how these breathtaking creations, from small inanimate animal to bigger and complex one, was pondered to us. Not just 1, 2, 3, or 4, but more. These wonderful creations are the power of our nation. These wonderful creations are worth to treasure and to nurture. Behold Bohol.